up, Lash fam? Welcome back to my channel for another helpful lash video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join our Lash fam. We have just hit 10K subs here on YouTube, so thank you guys so much for being a part of our Lash family. I said if we hit 10K, I would drop this video, so here you guys are. And I have been waiting to do this review for quite a while. What I was waiting for was for my clients to come back. That way I could see the retention, that way I could show you guys just a more visual of what dark matter can do. I'm super excited about this glue. I have been using it for about 2 weeks now on my clients, and I'm just now seeing my clientele back here. I'm gonna show you guys how to use dark matter, the pros and the cons of it, what you should know about it. I want to give you guys like a lash artist viewpoint on it. So you guys know I don't promote anything that I don't use myself and that I don't like myself. So as you can tell from that, I am a fan of dark matter, and I'll get into why exactly I am a fan of it so far. So dark matter is from Ruthie Belle, and if you guys follow me here on YouTube, you know that I use some of her other products as well. Super Bonder, and also she has a new product, newer product I should say, the Adhesive Super Dry. So if you guys have tried any of these, give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know which of these you have tried. Obviously a lot of people haven't gotten dark matter yet. It was on pre-order for quite a while, and now that she's shipping those out. But if you have tried Super Bonder, which I know a lot of you have, and I'm so glad you guys are trying it because it is such a good product. I talked to Ruthie herself in regards to the Super Bonder because people do have some issues with Super Bonder and how to properly use it. I always think it's best to contact her directly if you're having issues with any of her products, only because I'm not an expert on her products. What's cool about this glue is that it is made with oil, so it's not supposed to be affected by any oil products, which is great for us lash artists because our clients, a lot of people use oil-based products not really even knowing that it has oil in it, which then breaks down our glue, causes retention issues. So the fact that this glue here doesn't get affected by any oils is huge. Just start off by saying this client that I'm showing you here in this video, she has oily prone skin, and we've had some issues with her retention, trying to get it under control, finding out what is causing retention issues, so on and so forth. We've cut out any makeup that has oil products. We've cut out hot steamy showers. We've cut out washing her lashes excessively, brushing her lashes excessively. She is a face sleeper, so that we kind of don't have any control over. We kind of have to just ride with that. The reason why I wanted to use it on her specifically is because I've had most retention issues with her personally more than any other client. Now that's not a bad thing, that just goes to show that everybody works differently with different kinds of glues, and just, you know, your lifestyle really plays a huge role in it also. Let's jump in on how to use dark matter, how I personally have used dark matter, and what the pros and cons are. So some of you may or may not know this, but Ruthie has advised everyone not to use glue rings with dark matter. Now the reason why we don't want to use glue rings with dark matter is because the plastic in the glue ring reacts to the glue. So it will cause a reaction, therefore causing retention issues and some just troubles in between that. So she does recommend using a jade stone. Mine is so dirty right now. If anyone has tips on how to clean this, drop me a comment because I'm struggling. Get yourself a jade stone, clean jade stone, and you want to shake it very well. So shake your glue just like any normal glue would. Use it on the jade stone. What's very, very helpful about this glue is it's gonna last you a lot longer. I can get almost an hour and a half out of 1 drop of glue, which is outstanding because as we know as lash artists, a lot of the times we're switching our glue out about every 30 to 45 minutes, sometimes even 20 minutes. So this glue is going to last you 10 times longer. Even though it is a small bottle, it will last you a little bit longer because you're getting more out of the glue. Another pro about this glue is that it works in any humidity. So you guys know that I am like team Lashbox LA when it comes to my glue aid, and I talk about it all the time. I use it constantly, and I was doing in my last video like a little tester on how dark matter worked with the glue aid. And I actually didn't see a huge difference. The glue works great with the glue aid, but the glue also works great without it. So I don't see any reason to use the glue aid. She also has recommended that if I wanted my glue to dry, curing time to be a little more quicker, to add the Adhesive Super Dry into it. So I did go ahead and try that. It works great. So on that note, you don't need any extra products. So if you were considering trying other things, I would suggest everyone try dark matter for yourself. You don't have to worry about what humidity you live in or where you live or anything like that. The glue will work in any humidity, which is awesome. Another pro about this is there are no fumes, so virtually doesn't really smell. Fun fact, Ruthie Belle only used the highest grade products, highest grade everything into her products, which is honestly so amazing because we don't know what's going into a lot of these products, a lot of chemicals. Obviously glue is a chemical, but she uses the highest grade stuff in all of her stuff. So shout out to Ruthie. It doesn't have carbon in it, which is huge because so many people have reactions off carbon. I also have not had any reactions off the glue since I've started it, so I don't see any issues with that. Another pro about dark matter, which you guys probably have heard, is that you don't have to wait the 24 hours. So what I told my clients is to, don't be so cautious about the products you're using. You can use oil products, wash your face right after, wash your lashes right after. You guys, this glue works. And I'm not just saying that, I truly, truly like this product. Like I told Ruthie, she checks in, asks me how it is it going, and I love it. The only con I will say about this glue that I'm not a huge fan about is that I can't use my glue ring. The glue ring for me, it's just what I'm used to, so I'm kind of having to adjust to go down here. I always catch myself like going here and then having to go down to the side where my little jade stone is. But that is truly the only con I can say about this glue as of now. I will continue to post retention pictures and show you guys how the retention has been on my clients since I have been using dark matter, because I will continue to use it for a while. I'm going to stick with this glue for a little bit, see how it plays out. It does take a minute to kind of get used to using. At first you're kind of, you're switching glues. Things are different than the first one. You're used to drying times like this and now drying times like this. So there's little adjustments when switching to any glue, but I will say that it has been working great for me. I don't have to use the glue aid. I don't have to wait 24 hours. My clients don't have to wait 24 hours. Want products like this just to make our life a little bit easier. You guys know I'm Lash Smarter, not harder. Any products that I feel like will help you guys, I will share with you as much as I can because I want everyone out there to have a smooth lashing experience. I also will say when I take off iPads, no one complains about burning, anything like that. So it is definitely a super good glue, and I for sure I'm gonna use it. So I think you guys should try it. You guys can order on her website. I personally recommend only ordering from her. It does take a little bit more longer to get to you, but you know where it's coming from. You know that it's good. So I only order from her personal website, which is on her Instagram. I'll link it down below. So you guys can head over there, try your glue, get your glue, try it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you've pre-ordered her glue, comment down below and let me know. All right, Lash fam, that concludes my dark matter review. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for 10K. I love you tremendously. I hope you guys go and get some for yourself over at Ruthie Belle's website. Don't forget, it is linked in the description below, so you guys can go get your dark matter yourself. It is a great glue. Highly recommend it. Don't forget to like this video. Give us a big thumbs up. If you guys have requests on any other reviews that you want me to do, let me know in the comments. That way I can review as many products as you like. You guys, I try to only review products that I personally work with. But if there's something out there you guys think I need to be using, let me know so that I can try. I'm always open to trying new products, new innovative products that are, you know, just making our life easier. Let me know. I know there are a ton of good products out there. Maybe I don't know about them, so let me know. Don't forget, you guys, to like, subscribe, join our Lash fam. Head over to Instagram, follow us there, because as you guys know, I always say I update constantly on there. You guys get to see my work when I'm posting new videos. Don't forget to turn on our post notifications here on YouTube. That way you're notified as soon as a new video comes up, which is super exciting.